Here's another quick video on how to use the Python interpreter. For most programs we write, we just right-click and choose Run, thanks to the Code Runner extension. But what does that actually do? If you take a closer look at what's going on in the terminal, what's really happening is Code Runner takes your code file and puts the word Python before it. So in order to run a Python program, you just type Python and then the name of the file. Code Runner is really just a shortcut. If you didn't know, Python is a language that is interpreted, which means your code is read and executed in steps. This works through an interpreter. What's cool is that we can start the interpreter in interactive mode and run programs one instruction at a time. To start the interpreter, just type Python into the terminal. The terminal in VS Code is actually just an integrated form of the macOS terminal or Windows command prompt. When you type in Python and hit Enter, you'll see some information about it. Here it says Python 2.7, which is actually not what we want. Macs come with Python installed, but it's an older version. If you installed Python 3, you'll have to type in Python 3. On Windows computers, this shouldn't be a problem. Just make sure that when you run Python, it says version 3.7 or higher. Okay, now we're in the interpreter and it's waiting for us to give an instruction. The three greater than signs make up a prompt. Let's try putting a print. Since it's running commands one at a time, it prints hi right after I hit enter. In fact, when you're in interactive mode, you don't even need to type print. The interpreter will just give you whatever the output is. You can run pretty much any Python instruction here. I can set a variable, like this, and then recall it in the next prompt. It'll retain it because the program hasn't come to a stop yet, remember? The interpreter can be nice if you want to experiment with a certain command, because you don't have to write an entirely new file. Okay, we'll use the interpreter in the next video as we learn about operations. To close out of the interpreter, you can use the quit command. There are also shortcuts. On Mac, Ctrl-D should bring it to a stop, and on Windows, Ctrl-Z, then Enter should work. Okay, that's all for this video. CodeDog out.